guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are doing great. So today I'm back with another video wherein I'm gonna review all these body washes which I recently bought from this brand called Scent Devons. I even got a freebie. I got one of the face wash. So if you want to know more about these body washes, keep watching. So let's first talk about the brand. It's from a brand called Scent Devons, which is I think a very young brand which launched like 2.5 years, 3 years back in India. It's completely made in India, maintaining all the international standards. And the best part about this brand is all the products are pretty much cheap. You know, they're very pocket friendly. So yeah, let's first talk about its packaging. It comes in a very sturdy plastic bottle like this with a flip top cap on top. It's very easy to use during showers, and the best part about the packaging is let me show you, because I've used half of this, so I don't have the inner cap. So if you open the actual lid, there is an inner lid to protect in case if you're traveling. So I would recommend you to keep these inner lid until and unless you don't completely finish this off, because in case if you're traveling, what you can do is you can put these back and then again screw the actual lid on top. So this is like a perfect travel friendly packaging. So I would give like 10 star to the packaging. And yeah, let's talk about its consistency. It comes in a gel foam, which is again not very drying for your skin, because as I mentioned, these are very good. These are paraben free, phthalates free, then mineral oil free, but these are not sulfate free. So people with extremely sensitive skin, those who are prone to eczema and psoriasis, I would not recommend you to go for these. But people with my skin types, like combination skin, those who tend to get really dry during winters and extremely oily during summers, they can definitely go for this. And it has glycerin in it. This is one of the best ingredients to heal your skin during winters. Those invisible dry patches which are actually you cannot make out, but when you apply something on them, they really start burning. Yeah, glycerin is the one you're looking for. And since I have picked 3 of these, I've used half of this bottle. This is called Ocean Deep with vegan collagen booster. This has a very fresh, fragrance, more like aqua deo. I don't know if you can make out what I'm trying to say. You know those fresh deos you get, those roll-on deos? The fragrance is pretty much same. And this one has, let me check. I've already checked this one, but I'm not sure about this one. Let me see how it smells. This is called Alfonso Mango with Vanilla Beans. This has a very fruity, mango-ish fragrance with a little touch of vanilla in it. I don't know how you're gonna smell after using it, because I haven't. Yeah, but not bad. Like, the fragrance is really fruity. So for people, those who don't like extremely strong fragrances, like fusion of fruit and flowers, I won't recommend you to go for this one. But I like such kind of fragrance, so it's like I'm okay with it. And this one is their Himalayan pink salt with water lily. This has a very soothing fragrance. It definitely has that lily fragrance in it. So yeah, this one is very nice, very mild, soothing fragrance. People, those who don't like really, strong fragrances, I would recommend you to go for this. This is really good. In case if you want to use them, like use a sample pack of these body washes, so you can always, pick a sample pack from Smitten. I'm not sure if Smitten has all the sample, like trial packs of these body washes, but I definitely saw this one, Himalayan pink salt with water lily. This was there on Smitten for the trial pack. So you can definitely go for this one from Smitten if you want to try before you want to, you know, invest in a larger bottle. Yeah, let's talk about the quantity and the pricing. I got 500 ml for $3.99. My personal experience, I've just used this one. My personal experience with these are really nice. Like, I really like the consistency. It lathers well, it gives you freshness, it cleanses your body well. So yeah, it's pretty much good for me. Yeah, that's my personal opinion about these body washes from St. Stevens. And the best part is I've got one of the freebies. I really like this face wash. I've used it. This is a plant-based face wash and it locks the moisture of your skin. Perfect face wash for, you know, winters. I will review it I'll review it in a different video. Today I'm just here for these body washes. So that will be all for today, guys. These are really you know, affordable body wash. Don't think too much, just go for it. These are really nice, and they have other stuff too, like body lotions and face washes and I think night creams, and they're pretty much available everywhere like Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, Purple, even Big Basket has them. So go check them out. And I'm really sorry I'm not being able to put videos regularly every week because I'm really tied up with my babies. Sometimes I just don't feel like filming it. My babies, they don't sleep at night. They sleep after 3:30 or 4 o'clock. So I wake up at around 10:30 to 11, and after that, after doing all my household stuff, I don't just feel like doing it. I just feel like watching TV or, you know, having a cup of tea with my husband and talking. So I'm really sorry I'm not really regular with the videos, but trust me, once I get back on track, I'll, you know, try and come up with videos at least twice a week. I won't promise you right away, but I'll at least try. That's all for now, guys. If you have any video ideas, please you know, write them down in the comment section below so that I might get ideas from there and I make a video. It's, you know, it's easier for me to get ideas from my viewers and make videos, because sometimes I just go out of ideas and I don't know that, like, it's a block. Even though I brainstorm with my husband and he doesn't have much ideas about all these beauty products, so he just asked me to, you know, ask you all about ideas. So yeah, please do comment on the comment section below and let me know if you have something in your mind. I will try and make a video on them. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and press the bell icon below so that you get notified whenever I come up with a video like this. And yeah, also don't forget to you know, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat and Facebook. I have given all the links on my description box below. And in case if you want to buy all these like any of these body washes, I'm gonna link them down on my description box. You can check them out. So that's all for now, guys. I hope to see you with a video like this next week, and have a great week and stay safe. Take care. Bye.